All right, we got our patient Sean here. This is day 3 of CFR, meaning we got 2 remaining passageways we need to open up. But just from the day 1 to day 2 of CFR, how do you feel right now?
I feel great. I actually flew in last night, and I normally would get all completely stuffed up through my ear and everything on my left side.
Yeah.
And just a normal open my mouth, just a big yawn, and everything released. It was amazing.
Hey, we'll take it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 2 remaining passageways of the 6.
Yep.
So let's get you laying on your back. We like to hear those stories because you know what? That's instant results right there, right?
I was amazed.
So let's open up the last 2 passageways. We're gonna do the right lower and we'll do the left upper. So let's have you just relax in there. That's the hardest part sometimes. You're gonna breathe in, breathe out, and then breathe in, hold the breath. All right.
Whew.
They're all eye openers, aren't they?
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Whew.
Just let that settle in. Yeah, take a breathe in. Do you feel like able to take the oxygen in right away?
Right away on that side, absolutely right away. Yeah.
Again, no pain, just different. It's a different sensation, right?
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Got one more to do. Go to the upper left. You're gonna feel it really go behind up there.
Okay.
Ready? Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, hold that breath.
Ooh. Holy cow. That went right away too.
What'd you feel?
That one really behind the eye.
Yeah.
That one, yeah. Really behind the eye. And immediately bigger breath like I felt with this one.
It just sounds cleaner, doesn't it? The breath in.
And it, for me, I always had left side more clogged up.
Okay.
It feels more of an even breath now.
Yeah, hold one nostril, close one, and breathe.
Yeah. Yeah. I always felt like if I blocked this one, it was harder to breathe through here.
That's amazing stuff, man.
Yeah.
Round 3, successful. All right. Next week, we're going to do 2 more, okay?
Okay.
All right, good job.